patent isn't a reward. It's a legally enforced monopoly, and you need it. You want to invent the next smartphone. Great. Now imagine spending $10 million on materials, engineers, and sleepless nights. Then a garage kid copies it next week for free. Your incentive structure just evaporated, so we lock it down. That lock is the patent. Think of it as a temporary speed bump for copycats. It buys R&D teams breathing room to recoup costs. Without it, innovation runs on fumes and venture capital panic. But wait, what about patent trolls? You know, the guys who sue over a paperclip design. They're not a bug, they're a cleanup crew. They hunt down unlicensed tech and force it into the open market. Messy? Yes. Effective? Absolutely. But clearing deadwood creates a new bottleneck: enforcement latency. Courts move at legislative speed. That delay isn't incompetence, it's a buffer. It prevents lawsuits from freezing the entire supply chain every time someone tweaks a widget. But buffers invite legislative friction. Congress tries to fix it. They add amendments, carve out exceptions, and argue over clipboards. Legislative friction slows the system down on purpose. Fast laws break fast tech. You need drag to keep the plane on the runway, but drag feels like stagnation. Some folks scream that monopolies are evil. Cool. Want to see what happens when you remove the lock? You get a free-for-all where only the biggest players survive. Wanting instant, free breakthroughs without funding the lab? That's a weak design choice. And honestly, a skill issue. Demographic velocity changes everything. Tech cycles used to take decades. Now they take months. Patents compress that timeline by guaranteeing a payout window. It's the only reason small teams still bother competing with the giants. But compression creates a new problem. We romanticize the garage era. 1985, soldering irons and dreamers. But even back then, patents funded the prototypes. Nostalgia is cute, but you can't eat nostalgia. You need enforceable IP to keep the lights on, and enforceability hits a wall. The wall is artificial intelligence and open source movements. They want to bypass the monopoly entirely. The system will adapt or it will fracture. Either way, the friction stays. You can't optimize a system by deleting its breaks. A patent is a controlled monopoly. It's not about hoarding, it's about pacing. It's the difference between a breakthrough and a blueprint that dies in a drawer. Friction isn't the enemy, it's the engine. And the engine needs oil. Drop your take in the comments. Is the patent system a necessary evil or a broken relic? I'll read the chaos. Stay curious.